In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track lost deals in Pipedrive. This is a crucial skill for anyone serious about managing their sales pipeline effectively. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get right into it. First, you'll want to log into your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar menu and find the option labeled Insights. This is where we can dive into various reports about your sales performance, including tracking those lost deals. Now, once you're in Insights, look to the top left corner of the screen where you'll see a button that says Create. Click on that. From the drop-down options, select Report. This is where the fun begins. Next up, you'll need to set the report entity. This essentially tells Pipedrive what information we'd like to gather. For tracking lost deals, you'll want to set the report entity to Deals. Now, for the report type, choose Performance. This will give us the metrics we're looking for related to how deals perform in your pipeline. After selecting the report entity and type, the next thing we need to do is make our data visualization clear and easy to understand. Look for the chart type option. Change that to Scorecard. The scorecard view allows your total lost deals to be displayed as a single prominent number, which makes it far easier to grasp your performance at a glance. Now it's time to set the measure for your report. In this step, you'll change the measure dropdown to Number of Deals. You want to ensure that Pipedrive counts individual records instead of summing up the potential lost revenue. This means we'll get an accurate count of how many deals were lost, rather than just a dollar amount, which can sometimes be misleading. We're almost done. The final step is to filter the data so we only see what we're interested in, lost deals. Head to the top filter area. Here, you'll want to add a new filter. Select the Deal Status field and then set it to Lost. Once you've done that, you'll see your scorecard update instantly, showing you the total count of lost opportunities. And there you have it. You've successfully created a report in Pipedrive that tracks your lost deals. This report can be an invaluable tool for analyzing your sales process and understanding where you might need to make improvements. Remember, knowing why deals are lost is just as important as knowing how many were won. Monitoring your lost deals is crucial for refining your strategy and ensuring that you're capturing as many opportunities as possible. So be sure to check on this scorecard regularly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Pipedrive to its fullest potential. Happy selling and good luck with